What to do if you forget your login password in CANKADO app. Open our CANKADO Patient App. Here you have the option to select your preferred language. Click on Existing User. Click on Forgot Password. Enter the email ID you registered with CANKADO here. Click on Send Email. You will get a mail from the CANKADO support team with an OTP to change your password. If you haven't received it in your inbox, you need to check your spam folder too. Here, enter the OTP from the mail. Enter the new password here. Re-enter to confirm. Click on Reset to create a new password. You have now successfully reset your password. You can now use the new password along with your registered email ID for login in your CANKADO account.